Hi, this is George Young with Interactive Touchscreen Solutions, and in this demo, we are going to look at two main components of our software that together will help provide a complete solution for your current requirements. And these two solution components are wayfinding and visitor management. As we understand it, we need to provide a system where visitors are pre-registered by someone on site. They then receive an email of that registration with a QR code or check in at a later date at your facility. And upon arrival, they present the QR code at the security desk, which gets them a printed badge and allows them to gain access to the building. From there, they will then present a barcode or QR code to a scanner at one of our wayfinding systems, which will then show them via wayfinding features where to go in the building to meet their on-site host. With that in mind, we want to look at the first piece of the puzzle and first step in the process, which would be to schedule a visitor. So someone there in the building would use our visitor management software, launch it, and click on the schedule a visitor button here. And that would open this screen. And from there, they simply would fill out the screen with the required information. And just going through. Would complete the different fields in the registration, click create a reservation, and then it would come into the reservation screen. We see here I had pre-populated it, and it would be listed here. From there, the person that is registered would receive an email, and that email would have a QR code and instructions and would look something like this. And they would then bring this email QR code in with them upon arrival to the building on the registration date. And from there, they would then gain access by, again, presenting this to the guard desk. And the guard would scan the code, allow them to gain access. We could, at that point, also incorporate the use of passport or ID scanning. But certainly, we would need a QR code scanner and a system there at the guard desk. They would then have a badge printed with a badge printer, and that badge could be any type of badge, really. It could be a stick-on label. It could be a heavier stock with a clip-on. Whatever type of badge we provide, they then would gain access to the building. And from there, they would go through the desk and to the wayfinding system. They would then use their badge with a QR or barcode on that wayfinding system to gain access. And that would show them through a series of wayfinding components how to reach their destination, whether that's on that floor or up the elevator, and then another map that would show them how to use that sequencing to get to their event. And that would look, in short, a little something like this. So you are here, next map. It's going to show them go down the hallway after getting off the elevator and to this point. It's going to show all types of pertinent information, the description of their end location. Each map is going to have a bit of text information here. We can also incorporate text featured, which would show them the map on their phone, as well as to them on the screen at the main point upon entry into the building. So together, these two features are going to be the features that along with our core Navigo software, visitor management and wayfinding will provide a solution that satisfies all of your stated requirements to this point. And it must be noted that we can certainly have this in Arabic as the primary language. We will do some customized coding to provide that, but these are local licenses on site. They do not need any cloud connection, any web-based connection. It can all be on an internal network, and Arabic as the primary language. From there, there are a number of other additional value adds that we can discuss, but at this point, this concludes the demo of the core components of the software to satisfy the need to allow for check-in process with badge printing and wayfinding to allow someone to go in. And then upon the end of their visit, they would then come back to the guard, check out, turn in the badge, and they would be formally checked out on site. Again, this is George Young with Interactive Touchscreen Solutions. providing a demo of visitor management and wayfinding software. Thank you.